We have one goal. We are looking for new strategies against cancer.
Led by Professor Natalia Marek-Tronkowska, a team of scientists in Gdańsk, Poland, together with commercial partners, is moving closer to a new cancer treatment that promises to completely change the way it's currently treated.
I would compare chemotherapy to killing mosquito with a hammer, but killing mosquito that is sitting on your knee. Believe me, mosquito is very fast and hammer is very slow. It's really low chance that you will hit mosquito with a hammer, but if the mosquito is sitting on your knee, you can also destroy your knee.
The approach Natalia and her team are taking involves the use of T cells, which are part of the body's own defense system.
This is the model of cancer cell, but basically most of the cells in our body can look the same. And as you can notice, the cells are not bold. They have something on the surface. And these are kind of molecules which serve as a passport. And T cells, when they approach any cell, they just screen all the passports on all the cells that they meet on their way. And if the passport is normal, properly prepared, properly synthesized, the cell can go further and live. But if the passport is fake, I mean mutated, like for example in this situation, this element is different, then T cells can recognize this, and this is the signal to T cell to kill such a cell. And we are able to identify these cancer-specific features, and while we know them, we are also able to isolate T cells which can kill such a cancer cell.
Working on a project like this involves a variety of tasks and challenges.
Every day I have new day, because when I come to the work, one day I have to work whole day in my laboratory. In another day, I have to sit and write a paper. In next day, probably I have to go to my PhD student and solve his or her problem.
Komunikacja w naszym zespole wymaga używania czasem bardzo prostych słów, dlatego że każdy z nas specjalizuje się w bardzo różnych dziedzinach. Pomimo że mamy wspólny obszar, jakim jest biologia nowotworów i terapia skierowana przeciwko nowotworom, to zajmujemy się bardzo różnymi technologiami, metodologiami.
EU support advances the crucial research needed to find new cancer treatments.
When it comes to EU funding, I would say only one word: essential. I have mass spectrometer, such a costly machine. You need huge amount of money, and this wouldn't be possible without European funds.
Also, the collaboration with the company is something new for our researchers. These days, research needs to go to the public, to be implemented.
A w przypadku naszego centrum jesteśmy doprawdy dumni z całego zespołu i ich wybitnych osiągnięć naukowych, które głęboko w to wierzymy, już niedługo wejdą w fazę badań klinicznych.
Myślę, że najlepszym uczuciem jest właśnie satysfakcja z tego, że gdzieś dorzuciło się swoją cegiełkę właśnie do poznania świata i gdzieś swój wkład po prostu w naukę zostanie zapisany.
I believe and I'm convinced that this kind of therapies are the future of the treatment of cancer.
The EU stands for science. Do you? And the journey continues. EU-supported researchers from the University of Copenhagen are exploring how proteins in our cells may be the key to curing neurological diseases.